Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add extra hard disk, external hard disk to your virtual machine inside your Linux box. So you can see this is my Linux machine and I have installed this Linux machine inside my virtual box. Okay, so this is my virtual box. You can see Red Hat GUI, and this is my Linux machine. If you want to see the partition of my Linux machine, you can clearly see fdisk-l. So you can see I have a disk, only one disk, dev HDA of 19.3 GB. Okay, and inside that disk I have already created two partitions, dev HDA1 and dev HDA2. Now I want to add to another disk like dev HDB and dev HDC of 3 GB each. How can we do that? First of all, you have to shut down your system. Okay, you have to shut down your computer. आपको अपना computer shut down करना पड़ेगा, and then we will see how to add it. So let's watch. Just keep an eye how I am going to add the disk. मैं कैसे disk को add कर रहा हूँ. Just watch carefully, very carefully. So first of all, you have to shut down. Okay, when your system is running, you can't add the external hard disk to this machine. Now this machine has been shut down. Now you can see Red Hat GUI. I'm going to settings, then go to storage. Okay, and here just go down. You can see in the storage section, you can see here, if you click here, add SCSI controller, add SCSI controller, add this one. Okay, and now you can see controller SCSI here. You can clearly see controller SCSI here. This option come. Now you can add, click on add hard disk, then create, click on create new. Okay, then next. What size you want? Suppose I want to create 3 GB, so 3 GB. Okay, now I want to add another disk, so another one disk, so create new disk. Now create next, and now you have to change the name. So the previous name was new virtual disk 1. Now this name would be different, so you have to rename this. This will be new virtual disk 2. Okay, and this size, this size will be suppose 3 GB. Okay, not 300 GB, but you have to make it 3 GB. Okay, so once you make 3 GB and click on create, so we have two disks created successfully. The one is disk 1 and the another is disk 2. So we have disk 1 and disk 2. So let's see how to use them. Then click on OK, and now start the Linux machine. आप simply Linux machine को start कर दीजिए. Just wait. Switch. You can add this for both. Whether we have installed your Linux in CLI mode, command line mode, or graphical mode, it doesn't matter. Okay, the system is booted. Okay, now log in and check. Okay, open the terminal, right click, open terminal, run fdisk-l to see the partition and disk. You can see previously only one disk, that will be dev HDA 19.3 GB. Now we have two more, another disk. One disk is dev HDB size 3 GB, another disk is dev HDC size 3 GB. So we have total 3 hard disks, dev HDA, dev HDB and dev HDC. So you can see we have already two partition in dev HDA. Now if you want to create partition in dev HDB and dev HDC, you can do that. I am going to show you how to create partition inside dev HDB. See, fdisk dev HDB, new partition, primary partition I am going to create, number 1, enter, give the size, suppose 2 GB, P for print, you can see partition created. Now W for save. And after making any changes in the partition table, either you have to reboot the system or you have to run part probe command. So run the part probe and the name of the disk, that is dev HDB. That's all. Now if you see, we have fdisk -L. So you can see we have two partition in dev HDA, that is dev HDB1, dev HDB2, and we have one partition in dev HDB1, dev HDB, that is dev HDB1. Okay, but we have no yet partition in dev HDC. If you want to create partition in dev HDC, you can do that. So I am going to create two partition in dev HDC. So fdisk dev HDC. Now N for create new partition, P for primary, 1 by default, then size is 1 GB, plus 1 G. Okay, now P, you can see created. Now create another partition, new partition, primary partition, 2 up to 4 primary partition you can create. Okay, print, enter, then 1 GB again, and print, and you can see we have two partition created in dev HDC1, dev HDC2, in dev HDC hard disk, and dash W for save. And now you create the part probe command. So part probe dev HDC, wherever you make any change in the disk, you have to run this command, and that's all. If you run fdisk-L now, fdisk-L now, you can see two partition in dev HDA and two partition in dev HDC, and one partition in the hard disk dev HDB1. Okay guys, so I hope you guys can understand. If you don't understand, you can ask me the question, your doubts through the comment section. I will reply you whenever I got time. Okay, thank you for watching.